Hi everyone, so today I am going to show you my Fios TV Verizon remotes. Why I'm showing you two remotes side by side is because they both look the same, but they're not. See here? One of the dogs got to the remote. This one here, everything is still intact. The dog did not get to the remote. This compromises the efficiency of the remote. It's harder to turn on the TV with this remote. So he really chewed through the inner workings of the remote here, and we're going to have to get a replacement. But the good news is you can find a replacement of these remotes online. It will come with the batteries. It will come with the manual for the remote. Pretty affordable. But this is the good remote that goes to a TV here. And I'm just going to, press the power button. As you can see, I have the TV here and the remote is here. There are different buttons to this. So if you're thinking about switching to Fios TV, you want to know how the remote works, I'm going to give you a crash course. So this is the guide button. So if you want to know what's going on TV at any particular time, then you can just scroll through and pick whatever it is you would like to watch by pressing OK. As you scroll through though, the lights will light up in green. You can exit out of the guide by pressing the exit button. If you want to know info about a particular show, you just press the info button and it will give you a description below. You can exit out of that real quick. You can go to the menu button right here. And this basically gives you your whole menu. So you can toggle in between the different functions on the menu. So this is on demand, but then you can also go search. You can go to your DVR, click this arrow here to view your recordings, and you can pick a recording, press OK, and watch whatever show that you would like to watch. So you just kind of go back. There's also pay-per-view, things like that. We don't really watch pay-per-view. There is on demand. You kind of go there and press OK and see what pops up. And now it's freezing. Yeah, one of the things about these remotes is that it can get, it can freeze on you, which is rather difficult. Maybe I will just try to put it on again and see what happens. So if I press the menu here, so now I'm back to the channel I was before. Maybe if I do the on-demand button again, because there is a button that's specifically for on-demand. And then you can kind of scroll through, and I usually use these 4 buttons here on the remote to scroll through. I go on demand, I exit, I click on info, guide, menu. Those are the main buttons I press. If you want to go in high definition, you press C right down here, this red button, and this will go into high definition. If you want to go to a specific channel, you can put in 140. And then that will go to the specific channel. So I just switched the channel right here, as you can see. And then I can press C for high definition, and it automatically goes into high definition. I can kind of exit out of that intro screen right there. If I want to go last, then it will take me back to the channel I was last on, which was the non-HD version. Lifetime. So then I don't believe I can click last again. Well, actually, no. When you click last, then it will go to the last place you were just at. So the 640 is Lifetime HD. I was trying to go back to the history channel, but I couldn't do that. You can turn volume up like this, and then turn volume down like this. If you want to go channel up and down, you can definitely do that. And then it goes to, Lifetime movies. And, you can flip in between channels with the plus and minus button. But I much prefer to just use, the dial pad down here. If you want to search for something on demand that you missed, like you missed recording during the week, then oftentimes the different networks will put it in the on-demand section. Okay, so there's a DVR conflict. So this is one of the things. I'm going to say don't interrupt recordings, because some things are recording down here. If you missed a show during the week, you can go to on-demand,